Use a portable heat or steam chamber to reliably sterilize tools and small gear after working in infested areas to prevent cross-contamination. When building or using a do-it-yourself heat chamber for pest control products, focus on achieving and maintaining target temperature and exposure time rather than fancy features. For most common fabric pests, aim for at least 120 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes once the load reaches that temperature. Measure with an accurate digital thermometer placed among items rather than at the heater or steam source. For hard tools, a shorter exposure at higher temperatures works, but follow the published thermal death time guidance for the specific pest you encountered so you do not underprocess items. Choose a chamber with good air circulation, such as a metal box with a small fan, or use a commercial clothes dryer on the highest dry heat setting, and avoid plastic containers that can melt or off gas. If you use steam, ensure items are fully saturated with heat energy by allowing steam penetration for the required dwell time and then dry thoroughly to prevent rust or mold. Always follow the device manufacturer instructions for safe operation and include a timer and over-temperature cutoff to avoid overheating or fire risk. People often underestimate the time it takes for the core of an item to reach target temperature, so they remove items prematurely. Always monitor internal temperatures and start timing when the coldest spot reaches the target. Another common issue is using materials that will degrade under heat, such as certain plastics, adhesives, or electronics, so segregate sensitive items and use alternative methods like sealed bagging with heat packs or chemical options when necessary. Third, cross-contamination can occur after sterilization if items are stored carelessly. Immediately place processed tools into clean, sealed containers or bags and keep them separate from unprocessed gear until use. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical advice on safe field practices like tool sterilization using heat chambers. We host a discussion community where we and other members share experiences, product tips, and trusted local referrals, so homeowners and contractors can find work and collaborate.